Ollie Milburn was getting a little bit stirred up down at the start, shaking his head from side to side. Starter on the rostrum, calling them in. Flags raised. And they're off. Away and racing for Division 2 in the Open Maiden, over 2.5 miles, racing through the early stages. Damood is the first one to lead them as they head towards the first fence, with Seldom Heard up on the inside for company as they all take the first. The back pair over were Final Spin, and also in the rear early on in the pale jacket was Stiletto Blade as they now come on towards number 2, and the leader is narrowly Seldom Heard and Shane Quinlan, and on the inside for company in the emerald green and blue jacket, Damood and Tom McClory as they now turn right-handed, passing the ash poles once again. I Am Sam is in 3rd position, followed towards the inner by Champagne Over, who's in 4th place with the red cap. Winder out in the field to this stage to Earthshaker as they take the next, which they all take safely, but away towards the inside, Singing in the Valleys, as they now come towards the second of the 4 fences over on the far side. Bowed away in midfield at the moment is Curra Chase in the black hoop jacket, out of Samarinta in the hard colours. As they go further on down the far side, Ollie Milburn has 3 behind early. They are Midday Beat, who's also towards the back as they take the open ditch over on the far side, which they all get over safely, although Midday Beat was very slow. Was overtaken by Final Spin. The back marker is Stiletto Blade as they come in towards the next. Damood on the outside of Seldom Heard are the front pair. They're well strung out, and behind that back trio are a good way detached already. That trio made up of Midday Beat, Final Spin and Stiletto Blade have got plenty on already as they turn right-handed past their point of departure and on towards this next fence down the side of the course. Damood on the outside of Seldom Heard and a noseband. This front pair have 6 lengths on I Am Sam in 3rd place, then Singing in the Valleys and Curra Chase, who's out wide, as they all take the next one safely, followed by Champagne Over and Charlie Dando, who are in midfield as they turn right-handed back into the home straight ahead of Samarinta, who's also racing in midfield with Earthshaker, as they now head up the home straight with still just over a circuit left to travel. Damood then on the near side, Tom McClory holding a narrow lead from Seldom Heard on the inside, and Shane Quinlan. Front pair lead by 3 lengths to Curra Chase, who's moved into 3rd ahead of I Am Sam and Singing in the Valleys. Samarinta's picked a few off, is now into midfield for Jack Day ahead of Earthshaker in the red and white jacket, ridden along Champagne Over, with out wide on the track trying to make up a bit of progress in the stripes is Ollie Milburn. This trio remain clear of Final Spin, and the 2 that are struggling out the back, Midday Beat and Stiletto Blade, who's been struggling pretty much from the outset as they take that next fence going away from them. Stiletto Blade didn't jump that and was pulled up at the back of the field. So Stiletto Blade out of the race as they now head on towards this next fence on the side of the course. Damood holds a narrow course still in the hands of Tom McClory, as pulling up there on the inside was Champagne Over. Champagne Over pulled up before that one, was weakening at the time, hopefully all okay, as they turn right-handed to face on to 4 fences down the back. Damood from Seldom Heard and Curra Chase, the front 3, followed by I Am Sam, then Singing in the Valleys in 5th position rather, ahead of Samarinta. Earthshaker is driven along in behind these, then Final Spin, who's latched onto the back of the main body alongside Ollie Milburn, and pulled up now at the back is Midday Beat. Taking the second one down the back, there was a mistake there by Samarinta, who was coming off the bridle at the time, as Seldom Heard and Damood take the open ditch over on the far side, and crashing through the wing was I Am Sam. I Am Sam crashed through the wing, ran out. Hopefully Claire Hart will get to her feet shortly as they come towards 3 from home. Seldom Heard the leader from Damood, with Singing in the Valleys poised in behind them. Curra Chase now a bit outpaced back in 4th. This quartet starting to open away from the remainder, who are headed on the outside by Samarinta as they turn right-handed and back towards the second last. Demood, just in front of Seldom Heard, with Singing in the Valleys and Leo Marn riding behind them as they head towards the second from home. Demood the leader for Tom McCrory. From on the inside, Seldom Heard, Singing in the Valleys. Courage is rallying really strongly in the hands of Johnny Maley, coming right through them all of a sudden as they reach the home turn. Courage in the centre, near side the white cap of Seldom Heard. Far side trying to stay on Demood, who's now backed out of it, heading inside the final 100 yards or so towards the far side. Courage, near side Singing in the Valleys. This pair now going on together. Singing in the Valleys on the narrow lead, approaching the final fence. Singing in the Valleys soared over from Courage, who's a length down and halfway up the running. Singing in the Valleys, punched out by Leo Marn, is going to go on to win the finale. From Courage in second, Demood was home in third. They were followed home in fourth by Samarinta, who finished ahead of Final Spin, and then a very tired Seldom Heard was the last to complete.
We're not 100. Oh, we're not 100. That was just amazing.